The Halo Air uses Zigbee wireless communication between the PRT and the smart interface with a maximum range of 30 metres. If the distance between the smart interface and PRT exceeds 30 metres, or the installation is particularly challenging, you can use an ideal signal booster or mount the interface bracket further from the heat pump and closer to the PRT. Here are a few hints and tips for positioning the Halo PRT. If wall mounting, it should be between 1.2 and 1.5 metres from the floor. Do not mount above a radiator or other heat source. It shouldn't be in direct sunlight. It should be positioned away from any drafts, and it shouldn't be mounted behind curtains. The Halo Air PRT can be wall mounted or placed on a desk using the supplied desk stand, although we would always advise wall mounting as best practice. To wall mount the PRT, check for level, mark and drill 2 mounting holes and fix the bracket to the wall using suitable fixings for the wall type. The PRT can be installed with or without the trim plate. Insert the 4 AA batteries into the PRT and then gently push and clip the PRT into the wall bracket. A helpful tip when wall mounting the PRT is to pair the controls and check the signal strength to ensure it's good before fixing it to the wall. There is a separate video on pairing and signal strength testing within this series. If you are utilising the desk stand option, simply insert the batteries and gently push and clip the PRT into the desk stand housing. The PRT can also be powered via a micro USB cable instead of the batteries, but please note that a cable is not supplied with the kit. The USB port is located inside the battery compartment, and both the desk stand and wall plate are designed to allow the cable to exit the PRT unhindered.